A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, kaksoisv, X, Y, Z, ruotsalainen O, Ä, Ö, auto, banaani, cheddar, dekkari, ei, farao, galaxy, hieno, ilo, jalka, kauppa, lasi, mummo, nainen, omena, poika, kuovadis, raha, silmä, täti, uusi, vuori, WC, sulitoli, yksin, zoomata, Åland, äiti, ötökkä. Auto means car. Banani, banana. Cheddar means cheese. Dekkari means something called detective story in English. Ei means no. Pharaoh means royal palace. Galaxy in English. Hieno means fine, good. Ilo, pleasure. Jalka means football. Jalkapallo. Kauppa means shop. Lasi means glass. Mummo means grandmother in English. Nainen, woman. Omena means apple. Poika, boy. Kuovadis, that is not important. Raha means money. Silmä, that means eyes. Tati means aunt or auntie. Please be careful. Tati means aunt. Tahti means star in the sky. Uusi means new. Vuori means mountain. Vese means washroom or toilet. Sulitoli means chewing gum. Yksin means alone. Zoomata means zoom. Åland, that is a Swedish name. Äiti means mother. Ötökkä means bug or small insect. Please note, I didn't write everything in English because there is a reason behind that. Trust me, every time you see with your eyes the Finnish language, Finnish words, it goes easily to your memory. So please don't write. Try to avoid writing in English or in your mother tongue. There are 3 letters we can find in Suomalaiset Aakkoset, that means Finnish alphabet. That is not in the English alphabet. First one is Swedish O, that means Ruotsalainen O. Second one is Ä. Third one is Ö. So these three are different from English alphabet. So we just go through these three letters. Ruotsalainen O, it's not that much important, but for the sake of alphabet or Aakkoset, we have to learn. It pronounced like a regular O, so no need to worry about that. Second one is Ä. Ä. How it sounds? It sounds as English cat. So it is not A, it is Ä. Cat. Or hand, the pronunciation Ä. Ä. The third one is Ö, not O, Ö. Öljy, yö. Öljy means oil, yö means night. So that's all for this session. Nähdään.